So my business is going to come home with about $375,000 to $400,000 this year, and I've pretty openly stated that I'm going to pay almost no taxes on that. So I wanted to run through a brief rundown of what it would look like if I was taking home $100,000 this year, just so you can see how entrepreneurs don't pay taxes in the same way that employees do. So for example, just like everybody else, I can put 24 grand into some sort of tax deferred account and take that right off of my income. But then past that, because I do most of my work at home, I'm able to write off so much of what my actual apartment cost is because that's a home office. So just like that, I can wipe off 50 grand of my taxable income just with those two things. But then you throw in things like my car and gas expenses are all written off because I use a company car. We have business travel expenses. Every time I go to San Diego to visit my girlfriend, I set something up there for my business, so that way it is a business travel expense and I can write off all the costs with that. And then if I were to have a child, you can have your child work for you, and if they're under standard deduction, they're actually gonna end up paying $0 in taxes, make them pay for their own groceries or whatever. And then $1,000, if you spend $2,000 on food, you can actually use that as a company meal expense if it is legitimately a company meal with a company purpose. But assume you do that for the whole year, it's all written off. And remember, if you're hiring kids, now it's like whenever you take them out to dinner, you can find a way to make that about the business. And with that, I mean like legitimately you are meeting over business, so the IRS don't come after us. But just so you can see, there's about a $10,000 difference in what you pay in taxes based off of an 100K income versus a 30K income. And when you're a W-2 employee, you just can't quite find the benefits like this. And the reason why is because you don't take the risk. And there's nothing wrong with that, but just know that this is how you can actually break free from having to pay taxes. And there are people that do this on a millions and millions of dollar scale that are able to make their tax bill effectively nothing. If you want to learn how to actually grow your wealth and not just grow the number that's on your spreadsheet in your business, make sure to follow for more.